You know, for a bird like that, eating's better than coming.
You're not going to keep that in my video. I can promise you that.
I didn't know you were videoing.
Yes, sweetheart. Of course I am. I love you too. Yes, I'm videoing this beautiful bird. He's incredible. Look at that.
Hopefully he will come over here and
I can.
Roo.
No, but I want to get a closer view, so please come over. Please come our way more. He's beautiful. Wow, he's beautiful. Thank you. Wow.
He's even fighting the wind to come back over.
I know. Wow. You see how it made it a blur? That was badass how that showed that. That was so fucking cool. We felt the wind and it showed it in the video on the bird. Oh my God, wait.